Hi everybody, this is foXnoMad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by giving you a first look and unboxing of the Jabra Elite 85H headphones. So starting right off from the box, these Jabra 85H have the same elegant design in the box as the Jabra Move, which is another headphone that they make. It's a lower class of headphone, but the design and the appeal of the exterior boxing and packaging is still there. So when you first open up these headphones, you notice how functional yet elegantly they're designed. And functional yet beautiful is a theme that keeps coming through on many of Jabra's products. They want to keep things as simple yet functional as possible. So removing the outer casing, there is one thing to note: you will need the Jabra app to make sure that you use the full potential of these headphones, which have a lot of features. These are some of the smartest pair of headphones that you'll probably use. They have AI which regulates the active noise cancelling in the headphones, so it turns on and off the active noise cancelling to different levels depending on the surrounding you're in. So it can detect whether you're in public, walking through the metro, at home alone, or you're in an office environment where you need absolute silence. All of that is regulated through the AI in these headphones, but the app is what allows you to control how these headphones will react in a given situation. This included case is very nice. It's very form-fitting to these headphones, and one thing that the Jabra Move doesn't have that these 85H have is the ability to fold. And the folding is a big part of the design. Again, functional yet beautiful. And what that means is when you turn these headphones on and off, there is no on and off switch. They actually turn on and off based on which way the ear cups are facing. So when you turn these ear cups toward you, so they're at a flat profile, the headphones are turned off. And when you turn them towards your ears for listening, they turn right on. So it's an automatic process. There's no on and off, and it's a very elegant design. So as soon as you take these headphones off your ears, they stop playing. When you turn the ear cups, they'll turn off. Now I wish these headphones could be a little bit more easily collapsible like the Audio-Technica M50X, but this is still a pretty good step in the right direction. And one of my biggest complaints with the Jabra Move was how small the ear cups were, but these ear cups here have a very large size, so they fit comfortably over your ear. They don't actually rest, at least not on my ears directly, which is something I find kind of painful and irritating when I have over-ear headphones. I like them to sit around my ear as opposed to directly on my ear, if that makes sense. A few other items out of the box: you've got your USB-C charging cable, a headphone jack which is very useful, and an airport adapter that you can use for listening on a plane. These headphones are pretty light, everything is smooth to the touch. It only has very few buttons. One is to activate Siri, to turn phone calls on and off, to turn the mic on and off, and to scroll through various different types of active noise cancelling. But on first glance, these headphones come in a really nice package. They run about $300, so it's nice that they include the case as well, which a lot of headphones at this price don't seem to include. And I'm going to get into the artificial intelligence these headphones have and all the features in a full review, which is coming up in a couple days. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. So there you have it. That's your first look at the Jabra 85H. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. The full review is coming up in a couple days, so make sure you hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss that. And while you're down there, hit the like button and check out the merch. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.